Question number 1. The important property of a material in all metal forming process is answer plasticity. Question number 2. The ductility of a material after work hardening. Answer decreases. Question number 3. If carbon present in cast iron is partly free and partly in combined state, it is called as answer white cast iron. Question number 4. Increasing carbon content in steel dash ultimate strength and dash ductility of steel. Answer increases ultimate strength and decreases ductility of steel. Question number 5. Austenitic stainless steel contains answer 18% chromium and 8% nickel. Question number 6. Composition of high speed steel 18:4:1 is answer 18% tungsten, 4% chromium and 1% vanadium. Question number 7. The carbon present in cast irons may occur in the chemically combined form known as answer cementite. Question number 8. Raw material for all iron and steel product is answer pig iron. Question number 9. Alloys with carbon content higher than 2.1% are known as answer cast iron. Question number 10. In the structure of steel, globular form of cementite is obtained through answer spheroidizing. Recall through, attend following questions and comment answers, please. Thanks for watching. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க.